Good morning, students. Hope you'll be fine at your respective places. In continuation to our topic, that is this transport in plants, we have discussed what we call as three. We have discussed this diffusion, facilitated diffusion. We have discussed this osmosis, and today we are going to discuss one more topic, and that is called as imbibition. And we will also try to discuss water potential. First, this term, what we mean by the imbibition. Imbibition simply means the process of adsorption, not absorption, it is adsorption. Adsorption simply means adhesion of atoms, molecules, etc. on the surface, or we can simply say it is the clinging, clinging clinging of atoms. Yeah, we simply say this adsorption simply as that the what we call as the these molecules or the water molecules or how they get what we see accumulated on the surface of this surface of any substance, that is called as the adsorption. So we can simply say this adsorption simply means adhesion of atoms, adhesion of molecules on the surface. So here, or we can simply say clinging of the atoms or molecules on the surface, or simply we can say how these molecules, how the water it get what we'll see it lies, how does it adhere itself on this surface, rather, whether that is a cell, whether that is anything substance, how it lies on the surface of that body. Now, when we study this imbibition, we will find during this process what we will see, these three what we saw three terms that come into being. First one is called as the imbibition pressure. What is this imbibition pressure? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाँ, यहाँ पर अगर हम एग्जाम्पल देंगे एड्सॉर्प्शन की हम एग्जाम्पल देंगे व्हेन वी पुट अ ड्राई सीड इन द वाटर, यू विल फाइंड जो वाटर होगा, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स दे इम्बाइब ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द सीड, देन व्हेन दे इम्बाइब, व्हेन दे touch the surface, after that they move inside the seed. Second one, you might have seen during the rainy season, बरसात के मौसम में what you will see, जो हमारे पास wooden doors होते हैं, they swell up, and these are the examples of this adsorption which we'll see in our day-to-day life. Now, there are some terms which are attached with this adsorption. First one is the imbibition pressure. For example, what is this imbibition pressure? If it is the crack in the what we call as a rock, if there is the crack in the rock, this is the crack. And in this crack, what we will see, there is the seed, dry seed that lies there. This dry seed. When rainfall takes place, बारिश स्टार्ट होगी, they will see जो water drops होंगे, they imbibe on this surface of this dry seed. वो इस dry seed पर, इसकी surface पर वो touch कर लेंगे या वो इस पर आ जाएंगे, वो absorb हो जाएंगे. And what this happen कि by this adsorption we will see जो pressure होगा it will get generate, it will get exert pressure, it will develop. अब जो एक ड्राई सीड, ये कहा गया है by experiment it has been found that a dry seed after this adsorption process, after this imbibition, it can generate a pressure of 1000 atmospheres. That atmosphere, that pressure is such, वो pressure इतना ज्यादा है कि ये रॉक जो होगी इसमें जो क्रैक्स होंगे दे विल फर्दर डेवलप, वो फर्दर डेवलप हो जाएंगे. उससे हम क्या कहेंगे, जो सॉइल फॉर्मेशन, इट विल हेल्प अस इन दिस सॉइल फॉर्मेशन. फर्स्ट वन, इट विल हेल्प अस इन द वेदरिंग प्रोसेस. सो दिस imbibition pressure, यहाँ पर मैंने एक एग्जांपल दी. इफ द रॉक देयर इज द क्रैक, व्हेन वी विल सी दिस ड्राई सीड, it drops there by some agency, and when the rainfall takes place, that rainwater it imbibe on the surface of the seed. This seed it will exert a pressure, and that pressure जो हम देखेंगे एक dry seed, that will generate a pressure of about 1000 atmosphere, and that pressure is such that जो इसमें rock में जो cracks होंगे they will develop further, वो further develop हो जाएंगे. And then what we will see, जो हम देखेंगे वेदरिंग हो जाएगी, सॉइल फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्रेशर. दैट वाज वन. सेकंड वन जो हम देखेंगे, इससे क्या हो जाता है. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट. सेकंड वन, ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ एम्बिबिशन देयर विल बी द हीट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन रिलीजिंग होगी, या वी विल सी हीट ऑफ वेटिंग. हीट ऑफ वेटिंग इट विल गेट रिलीज. जो हीट होगी वो जनरेट होगी, दैट हीट इज कॉल्ड एज हीट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन. हीट विल बी गेट जनरेटेड, दैट हीट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज हीट ऑफ वेटिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द सरफेस. ये एक सरफेस है, सीड है, वट एवर इट इज, and this is the water, these are the water molecules. And when these water molecules they move, कहते हैं when they move towards this surface, when they get absorbed, when the process absorb starts, इनमें हम क्या देखते हैं कि जो kinetic energy इनमें होती है. Kinetic energy is the energy which is possessed by a body due to its motion. In water molecules में हम क्या देखते हैं कि kinetic energy, when that reaches on the surface of seed of any substance, this kinetic energy it gets converted into the heat. In particles में, water particles में, when they move, when they are being adsorbed on the surface of the world, when they are going to be imbibed on the surface of the seed, उनमें जो kinetic energy होती है, that is due to the motion, that energy gets converted into the heat. That energy gets converted when it reaches on the surface. All these water molecules जिसमें energy होती है kinetic, it gets converted into the heat, and that heat is called as heat of hydration because it's mainly the water molecules. And it is also called as the heat of wetting because this surface it gets wet when the water molecules touch the surface, so it is called as also heat of wetting, or it is called as the heat of hydration. So energy is released. फर्स्ट वन जो हमने वहां पर देखा कि फर्स्ट वन प्रेशर डेवलप हो जाता है. सेकंड वन जो मैंने बोला कि हीट जो होती है वो जनरेट हो जाती है. थर्ड, ड्यू टू दिस imbibition what happens, थर्ड जो हम देखते हैं एस्पेक्ट, what happens is there वॉल्यूम increases. अब जो हम ये देखते हैं ड्यू टू दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ imbibition, जो मैंने पहले ही आपको एग्जांपल दे दी कि ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन व्हाट वी विल सी, जो ये वुडन डोर होता है इट स्वेल्स अप. सो बाय दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ imbibition व्हाट वी विल सी, अल्टीमेटली जो वॉल्यूम जो होता है इट ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस. So by this imbibition, three changes will take place. What we will see? Three. There is the generation of energy. Second one, there is the increase in the volume. थर्ड जो मैंने बोला, what we will see, first जो हमने देखा कि what was that in by this imbibition, that it swells up, it develops the pressure, and that pressure is called the imbibition pressure. जो मैंने वहां पर एक एग्जांपल दी सीड की, that seed जो होगा उसमें इतना प्रेशर डेवलप हो जाता है that it helps us in the cracking, further cracking of this stone. Now अब जो सेकंड टर्म हमारे पास है, that is the water potential. That is the water potential. This water is potential. It is designated as psi. What do you mean by the water potential? It is simply the potential of the water molecules to do any work. It is simply as potential of a water molecule to do any work. For example, I will show you. This is that water bar, yeah, this tank. Here we will see the water molecules are there. Now these water molecules, हम देखते हैं कि they are always in the motion. They are always in the motion. They are loosely arranged. When these particles, they are loosely arranged, that means they are in the motion. When they are in the motion, they possess the energy, and that energy is called as the kinetic energy. And it is this, more the water molecules, that means more is the kinetic energy. Less the number of water molecules, less will be the kinetic energy. जितनी kinetic energy होगी उतनी हम ये कहेंगे कि जो potential है water molecule का कोई काम करने का वो ज्यादा होगा. अगर water molecules ज्यादा होंगे, that means it has got the water potential more to do any sort of work. If it has got the less this water molecule, that means it has got less amount of kinetic energy. That means it has got less potential to do any sort of work. Now, if this water is the pure water, if this water is the pure water, that means it does not have any solute in it. If this water is the pure water, that means there are only the water molecules. That means this water, it has got in this tank or in this tub, it has got the maximum water potential, because there is only the water, pure water. And ये देखा गया है by experiment has been found, जो maximum हम देखते हैं कि जो water potential है for the pure water, that is equal to 0. हाँ, अगर अब हम इसमें कुछ मिलावट डालेंगे, that the solute particles are added to this water molecule, that means जो concentration होगी pure water की वो कम हो जाएगी. So अब इसकी water potential वो decrease हो जाएगी. That means water potential जो होगा, it will become less than 0. That it may become -1, it may become -2, or it may become -3. So pure water की अगर हम बात करेंगे, it has got the maximum water potential, and that water potential is equal to 0. If some solute particles are added to it, that means इसका जो water potential है वो कम हो जाएगा. It will come to the negative. It may be -1, -2, -3. That mainly depends upon how many these solute particles are added to it. So water potential की अगर हम बात करेंगे, it mainly depends upon the 3 factors. अब जो factors है, it mainly depends upon the 3 factors. What are those 3 factors? Number first, solute. number second pressure, number third gravity. Solute जो हम लिखते हैं solute potential rather, it is written as psi s. As we have already discussed, जितने ज्यादा solute particles पानी में होंगे उतना उसमें water potential कम होगा. More the number of solute particles in the pure water, more the solute particles in the molecules in the water, less will be the solute potential. जितने कम होंगे more उतना ज्यादा होगा water potential. So we can say more the solute potential, less will be the water potential. More the solute potential, less will be the water potential. Second one, pressure का ये देखा गया है कि by experiment has been more the pressure potential, more the pressure potential, more will be the water potential. जितना प्रेशर ज्यादा होगा, क्योंकि जितना प्रेशर ज्यादा वाटर एक्सर्ट कर लेगा उतना उसमें पोटेंशियल ज्यादा होगी, दैट इट विल डू एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ वर्क. जितना इसमें प्रेशर कम होगा दैट मीन इट विल डू लेस अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क. सो जितना प्रेशर ज्यादा होगा पानी में दैट मीन वो उतना ज्यादा काम करेगा. उतना जितना अब हम कहेंगे जितना प्रेशर पोटेंशियल ज्यादा होगा उतना वाटर पोटेंशियल ज्यादा. अब ग्रेविटी का देखा गया है दैट इट हैज गॉट लेस इफेक्ट. अब जो ग्रेविटी है इट हैज बीन mainly affected by the height, vertical height from the earth, vertical height from the surface. ये देखा गया है कि जो water potential जो होगा it is taken as negligible when the height of water जो हम देखा है it is less than 5 meters. अगर पानी की जो हाइट होगी इट विल बी लेस देन 5 मीटर. फिर हम जो ये लेते हैं ग्रेविटी पोटेंशियल जो हम लेते हैं इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज नेग्लिजिबल. ओवरऑल हम क्या लेते हैं कि जो हमारे पास अब जो हमारे पास एक इक्वेशन बन जाती है दैट इज द वाटर पोटेंशियल इट इज इक्वल टू solute potential plus pressure potential plus gravity potential. Since gravity potential is negligible, क्योंकि उतनी हाइट हमारे पास वाटर की बहुत कम होती है, so in the day to, but there are some rare cases जहां पर ये हाइट इससे ज्यादा भी होती है. So water potential is equal to solute potential plus pressure potential. Now one more. Again, now one more. If we have got the compartment, this tank, इस टैंक के बीच में हमारे पास there is a semi-permeable membrane. This is the semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane. There are two compartments. Now in this compartment, water potential is high, and in this case water potential is low. अब हमने ऑस्मोसिस में पढ़ा कि जो वाटर होता है इट मूव्स फ्रॉम द रीजन ऑफ हायर कंसंट्रेशन टू द रीजन ऑफ लोअर कंसंट्रेशन. इट मूव्स फ्रॉम द रीजन ऑफ इट्स हायर कंसंट्रेशन टू द रीजन ऑफ इट्स लोअर कंसंट्रेशन. अब यहाँ पर वाटर पोटेंशियल ज्यादा है दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर जो पानी की कंसंट्रेशन वो ज्यादा होगी और इसमें पानी की जो कंसंट्रेशन होगी इस वाले में इट विल बी लेस. सो वाटर विल फ्लो फ्रॉम, अगर हम पानी देखेंगे इट विल फ्लो फ्रॉम या इट विल मूव फ्रॉम रीजन ऑफ हाई वाटर पोटेंशियल टू द low water potential through this semi-permeable membrane. So this was about this water potential. we have defined what is the water potential, what are the various factors which affect the water. We have got mainly three. We have got the solute, we have got this pressure, we have got this gravity. लेकिन gravity को हम ज़्यादातर negligible देते हैं. Now जो हमारे पास equation जो बनती है in order to find out the water potential, that is this. Water potential is equal to solute potential plus pressure potential. Again मैंने यहाँ पर एक दिया कि we take the टैंक, वाटर टैंक, इसके बीच में हमने एक सेमी परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन रखा, एक साइड कंपार्टमेंट में रखा वो पानी जिसमें वाटर पोटेंशियल ज्यादा होगा, यहाँ पर वाटर पोटेंशियल कम होगा. अब इसमें वाटर पोटेंशियल ज्यादा है, दैट मींस इट विल बी द प्योर वाटर. यहाँ पर पानी की कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा होगी, इट विल बी ए सॉल्यूशन रादर. सॉल्यूट प्लस सॉल्वेंट, इसमें कुछ ना कुछ पानी में कुछ मिलावट है, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर वाटर पोटेंशियल कम होगी. सो वाटर विल फ्लो फ्रॉम दिस हायर कंसंट्रेशन टू दिस लोअर कंसंट्रेशन, और वी कैन से फ्रॉम हाई वाटर पोटेंशियल टू लो वाटर पोटेंशियल. दिस वाज ऑल फॉर टुडे. In the next video we will try to proceed further in this transport in plants. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.